If you've decided to reopen your closed Netflix account, this guide will walk you through the process step by step. Follow these instructions to get back to streaming your favorite shows and movies. Step 1. Visit the Netflix website. Go to the official Netflix website by typing www.netflix.com into your web browser. Make sure you are using a secure and updated browser for a smooth experience. Step 2. Click on Sign In. On the Netflix homepage, locate the Sign In button at the top right corner of the page. Click on it to proceed to the login screen. Step 3. Enter your account details. Input the email address and password associated with your closed account. If you have forgotten your password, you can click on the Forgot Password link to reset it. Step 4. Follow the reopening instructions. Once logged in, you may see a message indicating that your account is closed. Follow the prompts provided on the screen to reopen your account. This may include confirming your payment method and agreeing to the terms of service. Step 5. Start streaming. After successfully reopening your account, you can browse the Netflix library and start streaming your favorite content. Make sure to check your subscription plan and adjust it if necessary. Now you are ready to enjoy Netflix again. If you encounter any issues during the process, consider reaching out to Netflix customer support for assistance. Happy streaming!